And step into the spotlight without you on my mind. No more telling what I should or shouldn't do. That's behind me now. Living in you tomorrow. There's no question how I'm standing my own ground. Without your shadow, whoa, your shadow hanging over me. I never let you know, let you take control of me. Without your shadow, whoa, shadow, whoa, shadow, should have known you're the type of person who can live on their own. Always